What are the ICHRA plans? If you live or work in Boise, you may have heard of Individual Coverage Health Reimbursement Arrangements, ICHRAs. ICHRAs are a new type of health insurance plan that offers many benefits to individuals and small businesses. In this section, we will explore what ICHRAs are, how they work, and their availability in Boise. An ICHRA is a type of health insurance plan that allows individuals and small businesses to provide healthcare benefits to themselves or their employees. The key feature of ICHRAs is that they are customizable. This means that you can choose the coverage that best suits your needs, rather than being limited to a specific set of benefits. Individual Coverage Health Reimbursement Arrangement, ICHRA, is a type of employer-sponsored health benefit that lets businesses help their workers pay for health insurance premiums and other eligible medical costs without having to pay taxes on the money. ICHRA plans are different from standard group health insurance plans in that they give employees more freedom and choice in choosing their own health insurance coverage. How do ICHRAs work? With an ICHRA plan, you first select a specific amount of money, called a defined contribution, that you would like to allocate for healthcare costs. You can then use this contribution to reimburse yourself or your employees for healthcare expenses, such as premiums, copays, and deductibles. ICHRAs are designed to be flexible, so you can adjust your contribution amount as your healthcare needs change. Employers use an ICHRA health insurance plan to decide how much they will pay back to their staff. All employees in a class must be subject to the same terms, albeit older employees. And those with more dependents may be eligible for higher compensation. There is no annual reimbursement cap, unlike with a QSCHRA. Employers use an ICHRA to send out notices every year and at least 90 days prior to the start of coverage. It must cover, among other things, how the ICHRA and the premium tax credit interact. For this, a sample notice is offered. Workers buy individual health insurance through the ICHRA exchange or directly from a provider. If qualified, they may also sign up for Medicare. Every time an employee requests reimbursement, their employer has the right to ask them to demonstrate that they, together with any qualifying dependents, have individual coverage. Employees may consent to pre-tax wage reductions through a cafeteria plan in order to make up any shortfall. In the event that the ICHRA is unable to pay the full cost of the individual coverage premium, only insurance policies acquired outside of the ICHRA exchange are subject to this regulation. Participants qualified for insurance coverage under an ICHRA shall have the option to waive future reimbursements for themselves and their families at least once a year. Employee health benefits. If you're a small business owner in Boise, offering ICHRA plans to your employees can be a great way to provide affordable healthcare benefits. With ICHRA plans, you can customize benefits for each employee, giving them the flexibility to choose a plan that meets their specific healthcare needs. This can lead to increased employee satisfaction and retention. Flexibility. The ability to select their own health plan is one of an ICHRA's many benefits for employees. Employees are therefore spared the hassle of trying to fit their family's demands into a prefabricated group plan. They can select a plan based on the health requirements and life stage of their family. Affordability. For employees, affordability can also be advantageous. ICHRA funds may be used for qualified healthcare expenses, insurance premiums, or both, based on the employer's configuration. Employees can therefore arrange their allowance in a way that best meets the demands of their family by planning ahead. Convenience. Life happens, and sometimes circumstances force workers to change occupations. An ICHRA provides employees with the ease of maintaining their own plan and paying for it separately, despite the fact that it is not portable. Alternatively, if their employer is mandated to offer COBRA, they may use COBRA reimbursement to cover the costs. Antrim insurance for all your health insurance needs. In Boise, finding the right healthcare coverage is crucial for individuals and businesses alike. With ICHRA plan options, you can customize your coverage to suit your specific needs while potentially saving money on healthcare costs. It's important to understand ICHRA plans and compare options to find the best fit for you or your business.